Hey, to clean the USB port on the Realme GT6, first of all you will have to prepare some fun item that you will be able to easily input inside the USB-C port. So it's actually recommended to use some kind of the plastic parts, but in this video I'm gonna use this seam tool. So it's probably the aluminum or any other metal, but it's actually not recommended. Remember, it's not recommended to input something like this inside the port. So just try to find something with the plastic. And now you will have to just simply get the good lighting source. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit just to show you how it looks inside. There we go. And in my case, of course, it's clean because I just ordered this phone like yesterday. But if you are using this for like 3 months, 6 months or 1 year, there's probably some kind of the mess inside. So I will highly recommend you to input this SIM tool like this to one of the side. For example, let's start from the right side of the USB-C port. Try to input it right here and gently swipe to the left side. And you have to keep doing this for like 5 or even 10 tries. It actually depends of how many mess you have inside. And then you will have to start from the second side, and just do the same. And once you actually make this swipe gesture for like 5 or 10 times, the mess should actually be right here on the left side. So you have to actually input it one more time and then try to make something like this. There we go. And now you will definitely take a lot of dust and other stuff from your port. And if it doesn't work and you still have some kind of the issue with your charging port, I will actually highly recommend you to send this phone for a warranty, or for example use some kind of the professional repair service. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.